This is Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf. This is the Hobby Optima de Luxe T70HGQ campervan, and a vehicle which is towards the top, not quite at the top of the Hobby range. And I thought I'd start off by having a walk around it, make it a bit different for me. Right, so when we get around here, we can see it's got a payload of 465 kilos, and it will be on a 3.5 ton basis. We can see how the bed is at the back, so got the garage like that. It's got a queen bed, and the bed will go up and down according to requirements. See the thing that does it in there. Let's have a look inside. No, let's have a look at the details. Price is 79,000 almost. In this state, base price is 70,000. It is 738 centimeters long by 233 by 284.5. Let's hope it's open, because I didn't check. Right, so kitchen in front. Above there we've got some nice lighting, which is under a bed. So you've got a spare bed there. And let's come in. Let's go to the back first. Well, that's quite an impressive looking bed. Now, if you need more space in the garage, pull the bed up, and if you don't, then you don't. And you can also pull the bed out, should you so desire, using this, if you don't want to sit up in bed. That will of course mean there's less room to walk around. You've got wardrobes either side, and got this really nice lighting and lockers at the back. Space for television. And in here we've got, I shall open this up for you. Right, so that goes like that to lock the people out who are in the spare bed. Toilet there, separate from the shower. There's no internal second dividing door though. So this sort of closes off the people who are in here, but if they need to use the toilet or shower, then there's no further privacy. Actually, at the front you've got captain's chairs, you've got side benches. Now you can extend the table, so maybe that's not too bad. I had an idea of putting in side bench in my own van, but then I sort of went off the idea. I did once really like the idea, having seen it work quite successfully in Niesmann Bischoff vans, and obviously it's a matter of what you want. People who are a bit larger might prefer that to having the sort of the traditional sort of bench that comes this way, forward facing. Anyway, it depends on you. Tell me what you think. Here, plenty of space there for doing preparation. 3 burners plus sink. Cabinetry up here. Down here, there's a bit of storage there. And drawers here. Now, I think Hobby's got some rather nice vehicles here this year. Some of them have got some rather innovative features. Although I don't really think this is one of them. That's my opinion. I mean, like horses for courses, as I always say. Depends what you want and what you're looking for. but personally I prefer one or two of the other ones, which you can see in other films. So that's the Optima de Luxe T70HGQ.